Hey friends, if you wish to control mouse pointer with keyboard in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. Search for mouse keys in the Windows search bar and then go to mouse keys. Turn this on. Okay, now you will be able to control the mouse pointer with the mouse keys. Okay, so this is how it works. And you can also change the speed of the keys. You can also change the acceleration of the keys. It says use mouse keys only when the num lock is on, so you'll have to press the num lock and then you will be able to increase or decrease the speed of the mouse keys. Okay, so this is what can be done. And then if you search off numlock, you'll see that the mouse keys have stopped. Okay, and it will also show the mouse keys icon in the taskbar if you enable this option. So if it's not appearing here, it will appear here. Okay, let me show you. If you do away with it, then the pointer is gone, and if you turn this on, then the pointer is going to be available here. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.